Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to talk about truck bed covers. And what I run are they're called Gator SFX Trifold soft covers. Okay, for today, this is on a 2024 F-250 Super Duty with a 6'9" bed, but they make them for any maker model, of truck that there is. So just put it in there when you go to order it. Okay, so here, this is all I've ever ran for covers in the last several years. It's called Gator, and this is the soft one, although it's pretty firm. These are only 240 bucks. So I buy them at realtruck.com, and I've put them on all three of my F-250s, my F-150, and they've never went bad. They've held up really good. It's a soft material, but it's pretty hard. Okay, it's pretty stretched out hard. It's got ribs underneath there that are uh, hold it up, but it fits right on there. It installs in like probably 5 minutes, and it does fold up too. And when you fold it up, it snaps into these clips right here. I'm going to show you how this thing attaches. Okay, now this just folds up like this. As you can see, it's got these ribs in here that support it. I've never had water pool and this thing sag ever. And it just folds up like this. And then you take your snap right here. It just plugs into this right here. And that's what's going to hold it down when you're driving along. Okay, so basically this just clamps on. They give you these clamps here. It just goes right underneath your truck bed, whether you have a bed liner or whether you don't. It just clamps on there. You just square it up to where you want it. Clamp it on your left front and your right front. There's two different clamps, and that's it. And then just go ahead and fold it out. I'll show you where you hook it up in the rear. Okay, and it just folds up like this. And then the way it hooks up, it's got these right here, these little plungers. These just slide over. They're going to hook right underneath that rail. Okay, same thing on the other side. Okay, now one thing I will tell you is when you pull these down, you want to snap them up underneath there in this bar. So let's pull that down and snap it up in there when you take it off. Okay, when you take it off, you're going to do that on both sides. And that way that thing won't get in your way when you're folding up. Okay, it ends up looking like this. So that's where you store them when you're going to fold it up, and then you just pull them down and clamp it back up when you're done. And it's a little bit of a security feature too, because when that's clamped and you close your tailgate, nobody's seeing in there, and there's nobody can take anything out of there or whatever. So it's kind of a security feature because that's already clamped down now, so nobody can really get in there. Of course, they could take a knife and cut it in there or whatever, but it's a very nice cover. And if you get the hard one, it's like $700-800. But if you just get this soft one, like I said, 240 bucks. And we've ran these for years and years. Never had a problem with water pooling, and we get heavy rains here. And we're in Naples, Florida. We get rainy season. It's heavy. We get hurricanes. Okay, one's never blown off, never pooled up, never faded or wore out or nothing. I mean, I've had them on my trucks for years. So I really like these Gator covers. All right, now on your new Gator covers, it comes with these gear straps. These just hook underneath your cross beams to help you secure your gear if you like to use them. We don't use them. And it also comes with this rubber sealant right here. Okay, you can put this on your tailgate or up front. It's just a gasket, and they give you the prep kits to clean it, and then you can put the gasket on, and that'll help keep your water out. Although we just don't have a lot of water intrusion with these. But to be honest with you, we've never even put these gaskets on. And the truck bed tailgate closes up tight. It's good. So, but they give it to you if you decide that you're going to use it. Okay, so I highly recommend these. These are really good, really well made, uh, and it's shipped for free. So I'm like 239 bucks plus free shipping. Can't beat that from a real truck. You can find that website on the internet. And you can drive around town with this thing open and snapped up. It's not going to hurt it a bit. We do all the time. Um, if it's closed tight like this, it's going to seal up good for you. I don't think I've ever got any water in here at all. So, and they come on and off. We also got a truck bed tent we use sometimes for camping. So this has to come off from that. But like I said, it's under 5 minutes, probably not even that, to take the thing off or to put it back on. So that's the neat thing. If you wanted to use your full bed or you needed it capacity, this could come right off and on down at the hardware store and put it back on when you get home. So I highly recommend it. I think that's the way to go. So there you have it. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, we're going to have a lot more truck accessories coming out for F-250s, F-150s, and all kinds of stuff. So this is Kevin and with Naples Lawn Service. And don't forget, in God we trust.